Question 5 in Unit 7 starts out by telling us something we already know. A simple interest rate of 5%, compounded continuously, works out to an annual percentage yield, interest over the whole year, of 5.13%. This is exactly what we calculated in the main question for the unit. For this question, though, we'll have to go one step further. Because we want to follow our balance month by month, subtracting off a maintenance fee each month, we'll need to turn the annual rate of 5.13% into a monthly interest rate. What monthly interest rate is equivalent to a yearly rate of 5.13%? Let's guess and goal seek. If the monthly rate is 0.5%, watch what happens to $100 over the course of 1 year, looking at the year month by month. Each month we have what we had the last month plus our monthly interest. And at the end of the 12 months, 1 year, we'll have $106.17. So far, we've found out that a monthly rate of 0.5% is the same as a yearly rate, an APY, of 6.17. This bank, though, has an APY of 5.13. So we'd like this number here to be $105.13. Let's use goal seek to correct it. We'd like that number to be 105.13, and we'll get it by changing the monthly interest rate. The monthly interest rate is approximately 0.42. If we ever want to see it in more precision, we can simply click and look up here. We see that 0.42 is a rounded number. This is the number Excel will actually use in its calculations. It's the precise answer. The rest of the problem is simple. We start out with the $5,000 balance specified in the problem. Each month, our balance goes up by the monthly interest rate. But it also goes down because the bank subtracts out a $10 maintenance fee. At the end of 1 month, here's how much we'll have. And at the end of 12 months, here's our balance. Now, what percentage interest were we really earning? What percentage did our balance rise going from $5,000 to $51.33.70? We can find out using our standard formula. It's the amount at the end divided by the amount at the beginning minus 100%. As it turns out, because of the $10 fee, we don't earn 5.13%. We earn much less. In fact, the percentage we earn is about 2.67%. The last part of the question asks, what happens if we have a balance of just $2,500 instead of $5,000 to begin? In this case, the amount of interest earned each month is less, half as much in fact. And therefore, the $10 fee takes out a much larger chunk of our earnings. To get the answer, we simply type 2,500 here, and Excel recalculates everything. Look, if we start out with only $2,500, we earn almost no interest at all. Less than 1%, less than 0.5% in a year. The interest we earn, the actual percentage earned over the course of the whole year, is just 0.22%.